12th zoology video class, part 8, menstrual disorder. What is menstrual disorder? Absence of menstruation is called as a menstrual disorder. That is because of amnorrhea. Amnorrhea, there are two types of amnorrhea there. One is primary amnorrhea, another is one secondary amnorrhea. What is primary amnorrhea? If puberty does not appear till the age of 18, that is we call as a primary amnorrhea. Then what is secondary amnorrhea? If the absence of menstruations for 3 consecutive months, that is we call as a secondary amnorrhea. Then what is next is the one? Next disorder is the one polyamnorrhea. It is used to describe the menstrual cycle that is shorter than 21 days. The menstruations will occur before 21 days. That may be due to hyperactivity of anterior pituitary glands causing frequent ovulations. What do you mean by frequent ovulations? Frequent ovulation means the discharging of egg from the ovary occurs very often. That is because of frequent ovulation. That has this frequent ovulation is done by pituitary gland. And also psychological disturbance, also the polyamnorrhea will takes place. And malnutrition. What do you mean by malnutrition? Absence of nutrition we call as a malnutrition. Then chronic pelvic inflammations. Chronic pelvic inflammations by certain STD disease we say. What is STD disease? Sexually transmitted diseases. That is because STD disease, because of STD disease, prolonged, very long very long time the inflammations will occur in the pelvic region, the hip regions. Such STD disease we call as a chlamydiasis or gonorrhea. If they don't take treatment, that inflammation can cause uterus causing polyamnorrhea. Then pain associated with the menstruation is called as a dysmenorrhea. Dysmenorrhea. So during menstruations, what happens? The pain will occur. That is because of dysmenorrhea. It is most commonly reported menstrual disorder. It is most commonly reported menstrual disorder. There are two types of menstrual dysmenorrhea. That is primary and secondary dysmenorrhea. Primary dysmenorrhea is pain. You know what do you mean by pain? And cramp. And the pain in the stomach seems to be someone crippling, twisting your stomach like that seems to be pain. That is we also cramp during menstrual period. That is we also primary dysmenorrhea. And secondary dysmenorrhea is caused by disorder the reproductive system like endometriosis or uterine fibroids. The next one, menorrhagia. Heavy and prolonged menstrual periods that disrupts a woman's normal activities referred to as a menorrhagia. So the menorrhagia may be due to hormonal imbalance, due to improper secretions of hormones and ovarian dysfunctions, uterine fibroids, and may also be due to cancer of ovary, uterus, or cervix. The oligomenorrhea is a condition with frequent menstrual periods. It occurs in women childbearing age. Some variations in menstruation is normal, but women who regularly goes more than 35 days without menstruations may be diagnosed with oligomenorrhea. The next one is the one menstrual hygiene. Next one is the one menstrual hygiene. Menstrual hygiene is vital for good health, well-being, and dignity, empowerment, and productivity of women. The impact of poor menstrual hygiene on girls is increased stress level. You know what I mean by stress level? They're feeling bad. A fear, embarrassment during menstruations, shyness, and fearness. This can keep girls inactive during such a periods, leading to absenteeism from school. A clean and safe, observable clothing materials, sanitary napkins, pads, tampons, and menstrual cups have been identified as materials used to manage menstruations. Changing sanitary materials 4 to 5 hours as per the requirements. Provide comfort and cleanliness and protections from infections. It also helps in enhancing the quality of life of women during this period. Used sanitary napkin should be used sanitary napkin should be wrapped in a paper and disposed. It should be it should not be thrown in open areas. A drain pipe of toilets. Flushing of sanitary napkins, the drain pipes causing choking of the drainage. Choking means what? Blockaging of drainage line leading to water pollutions. Then disposal of napkin. Eco-friendly way to dispose menstrual waste scientifically and hygienically is to destroy sanitary napkins using incinerators. What is incinerators? Once the pads, use pads, and instead of throwing in the uh, sanitizers in the toilet, you can collect and just incinerate. Means burn it out. Measures are being taken to install incinerators and napkins vending machines in washrooms of schools, colleges, public facilities should be there. And next topic is the one menopause. Menopause is a woman. Menopause is a woman's life ovulations and menstruation stops. So what is menopause? Stopping of menstruations we call as a menopause. The average age of menopause is 45 to 50 years. The last you just underline one word. It indicates the permanent cessation. Cessation means stop of primary functions of the ovary. The next topic is the one fertilization and implantations. What is fertilizations? Fertilizations occurs when applied sperms fuse with the applied ovum to form fertilized egg or diploid egg. That is because of fertilizations. The sperms deposited in the female reproductive tract undergo capacitations, which is biochemical events enable the sperms to penetrate and fertilize the eggs. I'll show you the picture. The fertilizations occurs only if the ovum and sperms are transported simultaneously to the ampullary isthmic junctions of the fallopian tube. Yes, I'll show you in diagram. You can see that one. So this area, the sperms deposited Here through this only the sperms will be deposited here. This is a female reproductive organs, and just the sperms, just they migrate and just they go here. Isthmus, you can find the isthmus, ampulla, infundibulum, fimbriae, telpa fimbriae. Once ovulation occurs, once the egg discharge from the ovary, they just fimbriae capture and just move towards the infundibulum, ampulla, and isthmus. In this area only, fertilizations will occur. Sperms deposited in the female reproductive tract undergo capacitations, which is biochemical events. With the help of chemical events, the capacitation takes place. It that enable the sperms to penetrate and fertilize the egg. The fertilization occurs only if the ovum and sperms are transported simultaneously to the ampullary isthmic junctions of the fallopian tube. Here, this area only. Okay, just go through. So for what you have discussed, this menstrual disorder is very important one, and menstrual hygienic also is very important, and menopause also very important, and fertilizations implantations also is important one. Okay, just go through. Just we'll go back again the fertilizations and implantations topic. Today we have completed the disorder of menstrual cycle here. So these are the disorder we are just completed. You can go through, learn. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. And fertilization also we have started. Okay, just write what is for define, learn define fertilizations. Next, remaining that topic will continue in the next video. Okay, bye. Take care.